Welcome to the best pick. The best Jeep accessories are probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your vehicle, transforming it from a standard ride into a trail-ready beast that's as functional as it is stylish. Whether you're looking to enhance off-road capability, boost interior comfort, or simply add a touch of personal flair, the right accessories can make all the difference in your Jeep experience. From rugged floor liners that protect against mud and grime to advanced lighting solutions that cut through the darkest nights, these additions are designed to withstand the demands of adventure and elevate your driving. Number 5. Rugged Ridge Arcus Stubby Front Bumper. Introducing the Rugged Ridge Arcus Stubby Bumper, designed for the ultimate off-roading experience. It's built tough for your Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. This heavy-duty bumper is your perfect companion for serious off-roading adventures. It's engineered to withstand the toughest trails. Featuring an integrated winch plate made from thick steel, it accommodates most winches up to 12,000 pounds. This provides essential recovery power when you need it most. Equipped with dual recovery hooks and built-in jack recesses, it offers robust recovery and lifting capabilities. You can rely on it for secure and direct-to-frame lifting. Enjoy a hassle-free upgrade with its simple, no-drill installation. It's designed for a straightforward fit, getting you back on the road or trail quickly. Count on Rugged Ridge for true and proven Jeep parts and accessories. We're dedicated to keeping you adventuring with reliable equipment. What we like. This stubby bumper offers a trail-proven design for serious off-roading. It features an integrated winch plate and built-in jack recesses for direct-to-frame lifting. If you're looking for maximum approach angle and recovery capabilities for extreme adventures, this is the one for you. What people say. The product works as expected. The design is sleek and functional. It has a unique feature that sets it apart. Number 4. Rugged Ridge HD Stubby Steel Bumper. Introducing the Rugged Ridge HD Stubby Steel Bumper, designed for your Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator. It's built tough for any adventure. Crafted from high-strength steel with an aggressive stubby profile, this bumper is ready for the most demanding trails. It's a reliable choice, whether you're on or off-road. Equipped with robust recovery hooks and integrated jack recesses, it provides essential functionality for off-road recovery and lifting. These features ensure you're prepared for challenging situations. This bumper features a recessed winch plate, built from thick steel to support most winches up to 12,000 pounds. It's designed to accommodate various fairlead styles, making winch integration seamless. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hardware and instructions. You can achieve a secure, no-drill fit, saving you time and effort. This trail-tough bumper is built for durability and longevity. It comes backed by Rugged Ridge's 5-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. Built with high-strength steel and an aggressive, stubby profile, this bumper is ready for extreme conditions. It also includes recessed fog light pockets for a clean look. If you prioritize robust construction and a menacing off-road aesthetic, this option is a great choice. What people say. The product works great and is easy to install. The design is very functional and the features are well thought out. It is a high-quality product that is built to last. Number 3. Rugged Ridge HD Tire Carrier for Jeep Wrangler JL. Introducing the Rugged Ridge HD Tire Carrier, designed specifically for your 2018 to 2025 Jeep Wrangler JL. It offers increased load capacity for those larger tire and wheel combinations. Enjoy convenient access to your cargo area with its one-handed entry design. This ensures you can get to your gear easily, even when carrying an oversized spare. This carrier is engineered to be compatible with all aftermarket and original equipment rear bumpers. You won't have to worry about fitment issues with your existing setup. For ultimate strength and wheel tire stability, we recommend pairing it with the Rugged Ridge HD wheel mount. This combination provides unparalleled support for your setup. Constructed from heavy-duty die-cast aluminum, this tire carrier is built to withstand the demands of off-road adventures. Its robust build ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. What we like. This heavy-duty tire carrier is designed to handle oversized wheel and tire combinations with ease. It maintains one-handed entry to your cargo area and is compatible with most aftermarket and OE rear bumpers. If you've upgraded your tires and need a reliable solution for carrying your spare, this carrier is ideal. What people say. This is a great product, I love it. It was easy to install and works perfectly. I would recommend this to anyone looking for a quality product. Number 2. Rugged Ridge HD Front Bumper for Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator. Introducing the Rugged Ridge HD Front Bumper, designed for your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator. It's the perfect upgrade for both daily driving and off-road adventures. This heavy-duty bumper is engineered to handle the demands of weekend trails. It provides robust protection and enhanced capability for your vehicle. Featuring a built-in winch plate made from thick steel, it's ready to accommodate most winches up to 12,000 pounds. This adds crucial recovery power when you need it most. Equipped with dual recovery hooks and built-in jack recesses, it offers versatile recovery options. You can easily lift your vehicle directly from the frame for added convenience. Installation is straightforward with our easy-to-follow, no-drill directions. Get your vehicle ready for action in no time. Trust Rugged Ridge for true and proven Jeep parts and accessories. We're here to help you keep adventuring with confidence. What we like. Offering full-width coverage, this bumper provides a substantial upgrade for both daily driving and weekend trails. It comes with an integrated winch plate and heavy-duty recovery hooks. If you need comprehensive protection and a robust platform for winching, this full-width option is a solid choice. What people say. The installation was straightforward and took about an hour. It provides excellent protection for the vehicle's body panels. The textured black finish looks great and matches the factory trim perfectly. Number 1. Rugged Ridge Jeep Steering Kit. Upgrade your Jeep steering with this heavy-duty kit. It's designed for trail-ready performance, offering a significant improvement for your off-road adventures. Enjoy a bolt-on solution that replaces your stock components. Its heavy-duty rods ensure easy installation and provide 1-ton strength for reliable control. Crafted with true DOM tubing, this kit is built to last. The seamless construction means no welds to fail, giving you confidence on any terrain. While designed for a wide range of Jeep models, please note the lift height compatibility. This ensures optimal performance and a perfect fit for your specific setup. Trust Rugged Ridge for proven Jeep parts and accessories. Keep your vehicle adventuring with components designed for the demands of the trail. What we like. This steering kit provides 1-ton strength with durable DOM tubing for a reliable upgrade. It's designed as a bolt-on solution for compatibility with stock knuckles. If you're looking to enhance the steering performance and durability of your older Jeep model, this kit is a great fit. What people say. This is a great product that is very well made and fits perfectly. The design is very clever and it is easy to install. It is made of high-quality materials and is very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.